trade party now started. Yeah, there's dreycosting. So in this trade, then I'm in the next phase on the funding next. So price pushed up, put back. That's how I win the trade, right? And go down to the 5 minutes so you can see better. Push up, pull back on the zone with the trade. Alright. Stop loss below the zone. Alright. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully this is not playing in the background. I mean, but really love to put up this video. I'm just vibing to Beyonce A-Low right now. Just chilling. Alright, so why did I enter this trade? Alright, so I'll show you in terms of technical. Let's show you in terms of fundamentals. Alright, so I know that the interest rate was coming out, right? And I know that it's going to remain steady. Showing weakness on the interest rate for the Japan. So ahead of time, around I was seeing it's kind of pushing up. So went over to the Bank of Japan, read up on the monetary policy. 22nd January to see what was going on, right? So basically that was the vibe, you know what I mean? Also, you can like pull this out like that. Hello. You know what I mean? And you can just look at the whole entire trend, you know what I mean, at the interest rates. Look at the entire trend and all of that. So it's just steady. So now based off that, I expect the yen to get a little weakness, right? Because we had expect the same thing, right? So news information came from Japan. Alright, well. So let's see. We can go to take profit. So this is TP1. So don't be confused. This is TP1, right? So this is TP1. Right at 1.5 residual. So this is TP1. Call it quick 40. But here's the overall TP. 192 at 350. Right. So this is a monthly move. This is a monthly move that we're making, right? See, pushing above. It's a monthly move, so by the time February is supposed to start, it's supposed to push us on towards the 192. So this is a monthly move that we're making. Alright, weekly move. Alright, weekly close strong. Alright, hopefully we can close above these highs. So that's why I'm taking TP here. So if it doesn't turn over and close above here, these highs at the end of the week, high probability that we could fill out this range, right? You know what I mean? So that's what we're looking at. Right? Just gotta be patient, you know what I mean? So whole day yesterday it was just playing around. So we just sat, wait patiently, but break and retest to enter, simple as that. You know what I mean? So remember I told you that we had a lower here. Got out for here, and we had in order for sell we would have to break this low off the 8-4 level, you know what I mean? You have to break this low, right? Retest and create a low high to even continue down here. Other than that, you know what I mean, put the weight to break and retest to continue up to this level right here. So potentially when it comes here, more like it's gonna probably come back to this demand zone right here, and I'm gonna scale in. Once I take piece of the profit right there, I take 75% off the table. Once you come back to here, I'm going to scale in because I no longer have that full loss at risk. I mean, say I no longer have that, so I'm just going to scale in to continue. Okay, so let's just see. Let's just see if we continue to get the push. You know what I mean? That's the whole of value. You know what I mean? Alright, so another thing you could look at, you know what I mean, is just a bounce off the trend line like that, you know what I mean? Push out. It's ascending wedge. Yo, I always see these plays, right? Remember I tell that I mostly see it on the downside. I always see, I really see this on the upside, you know? Yeah, it's happened. I mean, so let's just see how it goes if we can hit TP. Don't know how long this video is gonna be. Don't know how long it's gonna take to hit TP. So let's just see. See how it goes. Alright, we love to feel this week right here. To feel this week, you know what I mean? With business, you know what I mean? Slowly but surely, you know what I mean? We're gonna get out of these funny documents, you know what I mean? Just one step at a time. You know? It's not gonna happen overnight. You can't force them, you know what I mean? You can't really force them to like to get a live account and start getting payouts, you know what I mean? That's how you end up losing accounts and blowing accounts, all of that, you know what I mean? Just it's gonna take your time, you know, one trade at a time. Alright, so we took this trade again. You know what I mean? This was the high, break above it. Alright, bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure, wicks at the bottom, I will enter on the close. Alright. So once we got that close, you know what I mean? All I need was just further confirmation, retest, went to the lower time frame to confirm. That's that. My sound away right now because I can't sing, but I'm just vibing to Beyonce's Halo. Now, I mean, you have to really find that song or songs that keep you calm, you know what I mean? So because I don't want to be jittery in the trades and jumping out of the trade, taking bad trades, making bad decisions. I just have on my headphone and just this is something that keep me calm. You know what I mean? Yeah. So to realize it says partial TP, right? So that's where we're taking our partials. That's right here, taking partials at 188.827 at 42.5 pips. I'm gonna take 75% of the tape, right? Alright, so how we get all of that? We use magic keys. We use magic keys to enter our trades and manage our risk. Alright, if you're interested in getting magic keys, the link is in the description. Alright. So final TP is at 192,000. See it all the way up there. 192,000. Right. And that's a 360 pips. So it's a 359.98, 3598 in points, right? So you have to run off that to one decimal place, right? To get 360 pips. So that's our final TP. We're gonna leave 25% on the table for that. So we're gonna take our first TP at 42 pips. Alright. And then now what happened now? The bounce here, hit here, come back here to the demand and retest the demand. Just gonna hit another entry again. Alright. And do the same thing all over again. Take partial here. And then left another run back to the same target to this. Alright, so that's how we maximize on our move, right? So we'll just sit down and wait on the move. So remember, yesterday was no move, so we tell it no move. So today is the move. So I tell it that we're gonna have some interest rate today, so it's possibly move. So we're just chilling, just watching. Alright, so we're already in the trade right now. So between our stop loss and our take profit is not our business. Between our stop loss and take profit is not our business. So my business is just to enter the trade and manage risk. That's all. Yeah, that's how you do that. I can't play the song because I don't want to get struck by YouTube, but you're really watching this live right now, this live recording of the trading live, just turn on Beyonce Halo while watching. Trust me, it's a good vibe. Alright, so when I'm on my MetaTrader, I like to put these arrows, like what I want price to do, you know what I mean? The reason why I put those arrows, sorry, after all, this is live, so yeah, but still, so apologize for that cough. So, the reason why I put these arrows is to put a mental tip within my head that here, this is what needs to happen before I enter the trade, you know what I mean? So that's why I put the arrows. So I know that I wasn't going to enter a trade within here. You know what I mean? This range is just 60 pips. Why 5 for 60 pips in here, getting stopped out and all of that, when I could just wait on the consolidated here to break and get 300 plus pips. You know what I mean? We're hunters, not priests. Alright, so my risk on the put account for those who are watching, my risk is 0.75%. You know what I mean? So I was receiving 1%, and like if you're gonna lose a streak or something like that, that can really mess you up very quickly. And then half of a percent is too much. So most people like to risk half of a percent, but I just find the middle ground. So between half of a percent and 1% is 0.75%. So yeah, so that's what I'm risking on my contract right now, 0.75%. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know the vibe. Straight balling down stalling, you know, straight fasting doing this thing, you know what I mean? Looking good. See if I can get that continued push. This is it from Trading View. Y'all just joining, doing this live trade, you know what I mean? And I'm listening to Beyonce Halo to keep my mind relaxed. Normally, I don't have my stop loss somewhere. My stop loss normally around 40 pips. But what happened was that the news was coming out, so I was trying to be cautious. You know what I mean? So I said, here, better safe than sorry. You know what I mean? So that's why it's a little bit wide today. But 27 pips is a good stop loss too. I mean, it was place based on structure. Alright, you have some form of resistance here. Obviously, a little resistance here. There's some little resistance here. So once you can feel this wick, then TP is definitely going to be hit. Alright, so you know this is not typical trading time with the Asian, so this entry was taken at Asian open. You know, this is typically not my time of trading. We trade pre-London, London open, but the reason why we're taking entries at this time is because the Japan news for the interest rate was coming out at Asian open. So from experience, I know that once Japan news, some significant Japan news is coming out, then you have to switch your trading time to Asian, or you're gonna miss majority of the move. All right, come up to the top of the hour. I don't know if a little bit more volatility going to push in. I mean, the volume was slow on the news, so let's just see. Sometimes it's tricky like that, you know. I mean, slow volatility when the news just come out and like half hour after it just bursts, you know what I mean? Yeah, the bounce from turbulent, yo. Trust me. Let's see. Push, push, push. Let's go. Go back to the MT. 5. Alright, so I use TradingView to do the analysis because it's much better to do on TradingView. And then I use MetaTrader for the entry. So you know we got to use our magic keys. Alright. So, Alright, so quick tip, right? So when price is in profits, it's showing purple. Like if I'm in Jado, I change it so the figures at the top right here shows blue. I mean, help with the side for that. Put it up. Are we going to hit stop loss? Continue up? I don't know. Only thing I can control is taking one good trade at a time. Massive pushback. I'm hoping this is just a pullback in the lower level. And I'm not getting swept by liquidity, is it? Let's see. But just staying calm, you know what I mean? One trade at a time, that's all you can do. Take it one trade at a time. We lose this, just enter another trade, simple. Take one good trade at a time. Well, not just jump on enter another trade same time, you know what I mean? Just gotta be patient. A very strong entry, so let's just see. Oh, I was kind of expecting a little bit more volume from the year-end interest rate through the total. You know what I mean? Not seeing that volume that I'm looking for. Probably is testing for the demand zone again to push up. Let's just. Just so it's just at the top of the hour. It's just at the top of the hour, just 5 minutes past the top of the hour. Alright, so pro tip, right? Pro tip. If this is pushing down at the top of the hour and it flips and wicks out, right? Click and give me that wick at the bottom. That'll show that this candle retested it. Then after that, it should be touched all the way to TP. So let's just see. Wow. Oh, I'm scared. It's coming back to my break even. I'm so scared. It's gonna hit my stop loss. Ooh. Well, only thing you can manage is risk, right? I risk the correct amount, get that over risk, and my stop also is placed at a logical level. So we're just gonna sit and chill, right? All right. One thing about GJ, because a lot of persons been saying this to me like Instagram and sometimes the comments, oh, they have problem with the entries and so on. So here I'm showing you live how to see the entries, right? So one of the things you have to know about GJ, I don't know about any other pairs. GJ love to test back break even. That is why I don't move my stop loss to break even. Right? GJ love to test back break even. So for those who trying to trade GJ, I'm moving stop loss to break even. Oh my god, you're gonna get stopped out all day. So here's a trick now, why I don't need to move my stop loss to break even. Say that if I'm taking a massive move like this, where I'm going for 350 pips all the way up here, right? What I do is that I will take like TP1 at 40 to 60 pips. Normally, typically, I will want TP1 at 60 pips because on average I use 20 pips, so that's the 3 times my risk. So normally I would want TP1 there about 60 pips, 80 pips there. But the reason I'm taking it at 40 pips is because I have a strong resistance here, and this is a weekly level. Remember, at more, so this is a weekly level, so price can easily turn back over here, right? So that is why I have to just take my partial TP based on structure, not my feelings, right? Gotta take based on structure. So watch it now. Alright. Let's do the maths, right? If I'm risking, let's put it 20 pips to 40 pips, right? If I'm risking $100, right? Follow me now. I'm risking $100 and price goes to 40 pips, right? That's 2 times my risk, right? So 2 times my risk equal $200, right? So risking $100, 2 times my risk at 40 pips is $200, right? Alright, I'll take 75. Oh shit, look at that, look at that, look at that. TP8. TP8, but I got stopped out based on spread. Oh my god. Shit. That's crazy. That's crazy, but spread stopped me out, yo. Spread stopped me out. Oh my god, that's so messed up, yo. This is what I was talking about, yo. Oh my god. Oh my god. The spread stopped me out, yo. Oh, this is what I was looking for. The spreads them stopped me out, but this is what it is, yeah, man. That's why I had my stop loss so wide in yo. Look at that damn spread. Look at that spread is so freaking wide. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss out on the trade, guys. I'm gonna miss out on the trade, yo. I'm gonna miss out on the big move, yo. I'm gonna miss out on the big move. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. I'm so pissed. I'm super pissed, yo. Can't believe. Look how wide I have my stop loss, yo. Oh, damn, man. Well, the greatest thing was that our TP hit before. Alright, so finish with a little bit of profit, so you got thanks still, you know what I mean? You got thanks. I mean, could be worse, right? Could have been worse. Could have been worse. This is what it is, you know what I mean? This is what it is. Bro, that spread just open up. The spread just open up like crazy and kick me out, yo. Anyhow, I'm good. I'm satisfied. You know what I mean? Um, that's how it goes sometimes. You know what I mean? So TP smash. You know what I mean? But as I said, that you notice price did not hit my stop loss whatsoever. It's just the spread that kicked me out, guys. And the spread just opened up like crazy. Like, look where the spread is at right now, bro. The spread just opened up like crazy. You know what I mean? But as I said, we got a TP and we got kicked out of the difference, but I mean, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. You know, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. So, hope you enjoy this demonstration. You know what I mean? Of my thought process of how I enter trades and all of that. You know what I mean? And if you have any questions, so drop it in the comment section. All right? And I'll be there to help each and every trader and trade it. You know what I mean? So, this is what it is. So, only thing I can do is just to see if price when it push up here, I'll get back a retest of the demand zone. If I get a retest back of the demand zone, then I'll look this, re-enter here. You know what I mean? But this is what it is. You know what I mean? We got some profits. You know what I mean? We'll give thanks. Until tomorrow, street boarding, no story. I'm out.